Welcome back to the show, Half-Ass Vegan. Today we are making Akara.
Now, first things first, you would have had your black eyed peas soaked and ready to go. The thing you try to do is remove the skin, as you see here. So it takes a little while, but you're going to grind until there's no more skin on the black eyed peas, like so. You know, keep on working, and they'll eventually come out. You're going to have to use a lot of water, and it'll be easy after a while. And you want them to look something like this. Yeah, there you go. All right, now for the grind up, you're going to put into the food processor the black eyed peas, skinless, and then add all the few ingredients. We got purple onions, habanero, and serrano, or any combination, but you definitely want your pepper in there. Then grind it up real nice until it's kind of a paste. Sometimes you got to pause and get things in position. It's about ready to take it to the next stage. All right, this is the seasoning part, the most important part, man. Without your seasoning, you ain't talking about nothing. All right, so first we got flaxseed. This is our vegan substitute for egg. This is what's gonna hold it together. We have vegan bouillon, it's all vegetable base, paprika, garlic powder, Mrs. Dash. Let's see, black pepper, chili powder, and pink salt. Lastly, and then we just blend it all together, and then we're almost there. All right, first things first, you want to make sure your oil is ready, and then we're going to drop them. Make sure that you get a nice spoonful. Make sure it's compact so they don't fall apart while they're frying. And that's it. You drop them and let them do their thing. They don't take long to cook, but make sure they are cooked, and then you can enjoy.
So we first heard about the Akara in a video on YouTube. It was Nigerian street food, and we had to try it. And Herb is the bean master, so he had to make it. So we ate it with some barbecue sauce. So you guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, share, comment, hit the notification bell, and check out some other videos. And let me know in the comments if you want to see some more videos with Herb. Peace.